teach you the proper use of a volumetric and measuring pipette. First, whenever you're in the lab, make sure you have the proper lab attire on. To use a volumetric pipette, you always want to make sure first you attach the top piece, insert it into the water, then you, with your thumb, push down on this, and the top will come up, and water or whatever solution you have will go into here. Volumetric pipettes are only for dispensing the proper amount that is displayed on it, and in this case it is 25 milliliters. So continue to push down on the thing all the way until we get to the designated line right there. Be as accurate as possible. Then you transfer it to the other one that you want to bring it to. Release, and you hold on to it, and you just let it drain all the way down. This will take a minute. One trick when you are pulling the solution up is keep the tip underneath the water, but you don't want it clanking on the glass because that can create pressure and then it might not fill evenly. If you do get air bubbles while doing it, you can press back down to release the air bubbles back through and then try again. Once it goes all the way down, you will notice that there is a slight bit, there will be a drop at the bottom, and that is meant to stay in there. That is fine, that is how it is calibrated to do that. The other type of pipette is a measuring pipette. This you have to choose. You can go up to one spot and then you can go to the difference. With this pipette, the difference is you do not go all the way down. So with this pipette, you will go in and we'll bring it all the way up to one mark that we choose. And you do the same thing by pushing down with your thumb. And then I'm going to go to 0. Now if I want to measure, if I want to add 1 milliliter, I will bring it down all the way to 1. If I wanted to add 2, I would continue letting it go. Notice in this one it did not pop the top off like in the other one. I am just letting it, I am pushing it with my thumb to release it, and then once I say I want to stop at 3, once I do that, I will stop and I'll put it back in here, and then you're done. And that's how you use a measuring and volumetric pipette.